the sun, and that's making me crave for some fresh lemon cake. So why not we go to the kitchen together and see that how I'm going to make it. Let's go. The ingredients that you'd be needing to make this cake are all-purpose flour, caster sugar. I recommended that you make it at home. I'll write down in the description box that how you can make it at home. Oil and a few eggs. Baking powder, salt, vanilla essence, juice and zest of fresh lemons, 8 by 8 inch baking mold, measuring cups and spoons to ensure proper baking. First, in a mixing bowl, add the eggs and sugar and beat them till they turn pale. Then gradually add the oil and let that beat. When that's done, add lemon juice and vanilla and let that beat again for a bit. Now gradually add the flour in portions, preferably 3 to 4 times, and let that beat, but don't overdo that, otherwise your cake batter is going to turn stiff. Now pour the batter in the greased and floured mold. Tap down a bit to release any air and put in the preheated oven. And while the cake bakes, make the syrup with powdered sugar, water, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. You can make the powdered sugar again at home by grinding the regular granulated sugar. I'll write down the method in the description box below. Mix all these ingredients in a small pan and let them all cook together over low-medium heat till the syrup becomes a little thick and sticky. Now strain the cooked syrup into a cup. When the cake is done, let it cool down for a bit before pouring the syrup over it. Poke a few holes and pour the syrup all over the cake. Now for the glaze, mix powdered sugar with lemon juice. This part is optional but totally recommended. It's going to give the cake more flavor and also a pretty finishing touch. Now let it rest for a bit before serving. मामा जी कैसा है ये बताएं?
बहुत डिलीशियस।
आपको मज़ा आया खा के?
बहुत, क्योंकि मुनासिब है मीठा सब कुछ।
Okay, great. So guys, my mom approved it. So I hope you guys will give it a try and will enjoy same as my mom did. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. This cake is a family favorite and is always a hit. I do look forward to seeing how you make it. Don't forget to tag me in your creations, and I hope to see you guys again very soon. Bye!